Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel AIcodetech. Now let's see how to insert values into a table, SPO. First thing is to create a database so that we can create a table inside a database. I will name the database as demo. You can see the database is created with demo named. I mistakenly executed 2 times, so the second line is coming error. In first line it is created. To check database is created, we can use show databases query. We are going to use the database demo. Now let's create a table called as person dot. We are going to write all the person details into the table. Generally, a person has name, phone number, age, and which gender. So for name, the type is varchar of size 50. Name is in characters. For phone number is varchar of size 10. For age is integer. And for gender, varchar of size 5. Now to insert values into the table, we are writing a query starting with insert into person values. In the bracket, we write a values to insert. Let's see. A name Ravi. Phone number 1234567 and age 24, gender male. Let's create another one. Insert into person values. Name Rahul. No. Let's keep name as Priya and phone number and age gender female. Oh, the female as 6 letter, but we given size of gender as 5. So let's change it into 6 as the table is not created yet. Yes. Now let's create the table. Table is created. To double check it, we can use show tables query. Yes. Now let's insert the values into the table. Only one row is inserted. Now second row. Yes. This is for insertion into the table. Next one, let's see deletion and updation.